Wanzi, and today I'm going to be putting together this Lego T.rex Rampage set. So Lego says it'll take anywhere from between 8 and 15 hours. So we'll see how long I really take. And the idea is I'm supposed to spend the whole day in this room, including having lunch here, until I finish it. And to make it a bit harder, I'm going to be putting on this inflatable T-Rex suit. And of course this suit has no fingers at all. Oh damn. I can barely fit anywhere.
Okay, so how do you feel?
Awkward.
You think this can be done?
No, not really.
Well, are you gonna try?
I can try, but suit is really too large. Open the box now. Barely see it. What's up in the box? Oh, and I guess it's the instruction manual. I don't think this is working out. I'm just gonna take off the seat. Well, this was fun, but I don't know how anyone did American Ninja Warrior. It'll make a really awesome Halloween costume, but probably not the best fixing Lego. Also, it kind of smells. One of the Easter eggs in this set is actually that there's a tiny frog in the T-Rex's mouth. So here's the tiny frog, and I'm putting it in. Here it is. So this is what you get after you finish sections 1 and 2. The main body and the tiny little hands. Section 3 out of 15. It's been nearly 2 hours. I think I've been having fun. I look forward to completing the whole T-Rex, but I'm not sure if I can finish this in 8 hours. Maybe, hopefully. Finally completed 4 sections, which includes the leg. Let's say I think the leg is one of the most complicated parts so far, and one section is dedicated to each. And it took quite long to do, but it's really cool because it's fully posable and you can move all the toes and stuff. You can see here how intricate the tail actually is. You have to build it segment by segment, and that's actually, I think, like super detailed. And in like bag number 5, you only get 3 segments of the tail, so I assume number 6 is dedicated to more tail as well. It's been, I think, 5 hours, and I have finished most of the T-Rex, and I'm just left with the head. But as you can see, it can't really stand because the CG is off. I guess it needs the head to be there first. It's really super detailed. Like there are like entire bags dedicated to different sections of the tail. Right? You can't even fit all the parts of one tail into one bag, so you have to build it segment by segment. It's quite complicated, but the assembly is also quite repetitive because like each segment is very similar to the next, so it's just like smaller and smaller versions of the same thing. I think I'm having a good time. I really like fixing this. And I think it's really cool that it can move.
How long did it take for you to do this?
About 5 hours.
5 hours.
Yeah.
Oops.
Well, okay.
Can Aaron fix it?
With that. Okay, but these 3 pieces fell out. It's okay. Yeah, but imagine they don't make
They're
T-Rex
really
like they
very
used to
heavy.
anymore. Huh?
Yeah. He did one section, then he left. He made the foundation. Yeah, he finished bag number 8, I guess. So 6 more numbered bags, so about 12 more in total actually. Don't know if I will be able to finish by 6, but probably by tonight. Alright, the T-Rex is done, I guess. And yeah, after you put the head on, it can balance finally. This whole thing is really super detailed. Even the tiny hands move. And the mouth too. Alright, now I guess I just have to fix the gate.
Ah, there it is. Okay, now it's faithful.
Yeah, there. It didn't drop out. I just fixed this, but fixed that jelly, but I don't know what is it.
Hello, I'm back to help Wanzi. It's coming to the end of the day. We should nowhere close to finishing this.
I still
So
have
obviously-
about 10 packets left.
So obviously she needs a good season experience backup.
As long as you believe anything is possible, so 100% yes. I'm gonna finish this today.
Today means before or after dinner. Come on, 24 pieces. Just take everything you find over there. Okay,
She did.
she dead, not dead. By a woman. T-Rex meat now.
This is a sticker. Finally has a name. Yeah, I'm finally on the last pack, and guess what? It's all plants.
So you're in the last stretch now.
Yes.
What does it feel like?
I just want it to be over. I don't want to fix plants anymore. So boring. And still more plants. This is the last piece. Okay, I'm actually done. The remainder is the a fat plate for the T-Rex, which I have decided doesn't count because it doesn't seem like it's part of the set, so I'm not gonna do it. That took like 10 hours plus. I guess Lego's estimate was pretty spot on. So I think the T-Rex is probably my favorite part of the set. And what's interesting is actually apparently the length of the tail varied quite a few times during the design, because each part supposedly contributes to how the dinosaur balances. So we saw just now, without the head, it just tips over. So every part matters. Well, first of all, I'm a really big tiny dinosaur fan, so this was fun no matter what. But I think it was seeing the T-Rex come together, all the tiny parts, so it was like really detailed, so you had to build like each and everything, so like the cheeks, the top of the head, the jaw, like even each leg and each segment of the tail. And then when you put it together, it was really awesome.
Supposed to build this with a dinosaur costume. What happened to that?
Oh, but I couldn't see out of the suit. And the suit, okay, I don't think you can build this without use of your fingers. And then here, the set also comes with 6 figurines. It's supposed to be a stand for them, but I didn't build them because it'll take too long. Right, don't have their names out of the box. So yeah, this dude is Alan Grant. Yeah, and then I also like John Hammond's I think it's a mosquito or something that was preserved in amber. They've given him his cane. And of course, Ian Malcolm, and he even has a bandage from when he got injured here. And I believe it's the guy in the yellow raincoat who got sprayed by the dinosaur. And then I think he rolled down and died or something. There's a toilet right here. And Samuel L. Jackson's severed arm. Oh yeah, one last thing, but the gate actually opens. You have this like knob at the back. You turn.
Which part of building this set was the most frustrating for you?
Clearly the plants, because I wanted to be done with it already, but then there were many small parts still. Like for this one, it's fire, but you still have to like assemble each node, which is very time consuming and not very fun.
So overall, what would you rate this build?
Maybe an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna take this home. Can I keep it?